Now let's install PyCharm to create and run Python scripts. This will be the IDE where we will learn Python coding. Visit jetparents.com/PyCharm. Download the community edition. It's free and perfect for beginners. Since I already have the installer downloaded, I will skip downloading it again. After you have finished downloading PyCharm installer, run it and follow the setup wizard. You might want to select the checkboxes for adding a desktop shortcut for PyCharm and to add the PyCharm bin folder to the Windows path. Click Next. Open PyCharm after installation. You'll see a welcome screen. Click on the New Project button. Choose a location to save your project. I will rename the project to Learn Python. Under the Python interpreter section, select the Python version you installed earlier. Click on the Create button to create your first Python project. In your new project, right-click on the project name and then click on New and then click on Directory. I will name it Source. This directory will contain all the Python scripts that we will write in this course. Next, right-click on the directory name and create a new Python file and name it Hello. Now, we will write our first Python program and run it. We'll write print hello world. To run the script, right-click anywhere in the editor and click on Run Hello. Congratulations, you just ran your first Python program. In the output console, you'll see the text Hello World. This means that our Python interpreter is set up correctly. In the next session, we'll dive into Python programming basics. Thank you.